Mamanda is a poet and novelist, and she's also a member of the Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission. Mamanda, please.
Thank you very much. First of all, I offer my thanks to the directors of this Festival of Indian Languages. It's a great privilege for me to be here. And hearing speakers before me, I just wanted to make a little observation on this talk about globalization. My mother tongue is Adi. It is spoken by the Adi tribe of Arunachal Pradesh, maybe not more than 2.5, 3 lakh speakers. It is also in danger of being overrun, by Hindi, especially the Bollywood kind of dialogue. But as my friend Gillian Wright had also mentioned, quite often the discovery and the desire to save something results in its extinction. And talking about globalization, we don't really know which way it's coming from, which side is the flow. Is it west to east, east to west, north to south? So I like to keep my options open. And I don't think we should be too afraid, especially for writers. If we talk about language and identity and traditions, a writer is always looking for another language, another language beyond his mother tongue or beyond English or Hindi. And I think to keep it kind of rigid would be, a fate worse than death for creative people. So we are always looking for another language, and I find this, of course, in my mother tongue, but it is also tied up with the landscape, the environment I come from, and that is my blueprint. Just to give a little introduction, say before 1964, when Arunachal was transferred from Ministry of External Affairs to the Home Ministry, it happened because of the 1962 China-India War. We are celebrating the 50th, 50 years after that. And at that time, many of the officers, the administrators who had come to Arunachal, took the trouble to learn Adi so that there could be empathy, in administration. Now we find this is not so. Things are changing. But I'm not cribbing about change or globalization. I'm saying we have to change. I think tradition, identity, all these are adventures, And if we can keep memory alive, then I think one need not be so worried. Small languages, minority groups. It is only now I learn, maybe the Inuit people have 20 words for snow. We have maybe 20 words for rice, and vice versa. Language, I think, should not be confrontational. It should be, we believe that